Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, aspiring Family Feud host Valvo, and today we have a very important topic. They might seem small, but they loom large on the mathematics stage. Show me fractions! So we talked about fractions in our very first video about types of numbers, and if you saw that video, you should remember that we call the set of all fractions the rational numbers. But now we ask the question, what are fractions? Well, fractions are real numbers that represent a part of a whole. A fraction bar separates the part from the whole like so, where we call the part the numerator and the whole the denominator. So for example, let's say you had a pizza party, but everyone showed up fashionably late, so the pizza is getting cold, and you had to do something, so you panic and start eating one of the pizzas. Suppose now that the pizza was cut into 6 slices